At the moment, we're testing ECOMILL 1700 multigrain mill processing proso millet. We haven't used this mill before for such cereal crop processing. We ourselves are really interested in the results of flour quality, its grade, and the mill output. During the proso millet processing into flour, the mill performed trouble-free in the normal operation mode. At that, the mill production capacity made up to 890 kilograms per hour, 1,960 pounds per hour. The flour produced during our tests was beyond all our expectations. ECOMILL 1700 multigrain mill enables proso millet processing with 100% output of flour type variety, depending on the fineness and whiteness, which means getting flour in accordance with customers' demands.